Premier brings a lot of experience to the table. We've been doing this for a long time. We have a lot of education under our belts, a lot of certifications under our belts. And we have inspected everything from little starter homes all the way up to multi-structure estates, and everything in between. The value that we bring to the table really though is educating the buyer or educating our client the condition of that property so that they know what their real investment is, and they know maybe what repairs are needed on the property to keep it, to maintain the value and to keep it safe.